Hello everyone, I am Joseph again, Assistant Professor, Assam Downtown University. So today I am going to discuss about one topic, that is principle and methodology of thin layer chromatography. So what is TLC? So the TLC is a solid liquid form of chromatography where the stationary phase is normally polar absorbent and the mobile phase can be a single solvent or a combination of the solvent, that is mobile phase. The TLC is quick, inexpensive micro scale technique. So principle involved in this TLC is adsorption. When a mixture containing one or more component are spotted on a thin layer of adsorbent coated on a chromatographic plate and introduced into a development tank, that is mobile phase tank, and the phase flows by capillary action. The components move across the layer according to their affinity. So the component with more affinity travels slower. If the component have the more affinity towards the this stationary phase, that is towards the plate, it will travel slower, and if the component is having more affinity towards the mobile phase, it will travel faster. Thus the components are separated on the TLC based on their affinities towards their stationary phase. And then experimental techniques, in this technique the component of a mixer are separated by selecting a suitable adsorbent and a mobile phase, developing the chromatogram, and finally the component are detected and recovered. This first one, like in techniques, what we have to do, coating material used in TLC. There are different type of coating material used in TLC plate. Like most commonly we use silica gel and cellulose, but like alumina and Kieselguhr is also there. A binding agent is often incorporated to hold the adsorbent firmly on the plate, or gypsum we use. Then starch is also there, hydrated silicon oxide is also there. These are like uh, binding agent used in this TLC. Then two ultraviolet indicator have also been incorporated, either singly or together also sometimes. And preparation without binding agent should be used if these additives react with the compound to be separated. If the compound react with the silica, then we cannot use this binding agent. And layers of 0.25 mm thickness can be prepared by spreading an aqueous slurry of adsorbent. It is like cellulose, silica, Kieselguhr, and alumina with a commercial applicator on a glass plates. You can use glass plates also. Then the slurry can be prepared by mixing 25 grams of silica gel G with 50 ml of distilled water. Here you can see the list of adsorbent like silica, alumina, then Kieselguhr and cellulose powder. The silica gel is acidic, then activity means it is active, silica gel is active, then separatory mechanism adsorption or partition, and component to be separated are acidic and neutral substance. In case of alumina, it is basic and active, and the separatory mechanism is adsorption and partition, and component to be separated is basic and neutral substances. Kieselguhr is neutral and it is inactive also, and separatory mechanism is partition, and component to be separated in Kieselguhr are strongly hydrophilic substances. And cellulose powder we use as a adsorbent. It is neutral and it is neither it is it is not active actually. And separatory mechanism is partition, and component to be separated is water soluble compound. In my next video I'll explain the remaining part of this TLC. Thank you.